Good morning everybody, thank you so much for tuning into Avid Adventures. My name is Avid Branch and today's date is 17th of July 2021 and right now the time is 8:23 AM. Today is Saturday and I am going to Makedatu. There is a place in Karnataka called Makedatu. Please forgive me if I get the name wrong, but I'm gonna make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to a place which is also called as Sangam, where the river Kaveri and I beg your pardon, where the river Aravati, I think I am not getting the name right, I think, and Aravati meets river Kaveri. And I've heard it's a very nice place, very scenic, especially in the monsoon. So for today's ride, that is where we are headed. It is about 84 kilometers from where I am right now, and I am on the outer ring road and I'm heading towards the HSR layout. And it is, the Google Map says it'll take around 2 hours and 23 minutes to reach there. So let's go. So we have hit the Kanakpura road now, Kanakapura road, sorry. And I think we need to stay on the same road for the next 34 kilometers. So I think we are not gonna be getting good highways here, which means कि बहुत धीमे चलेंगे. धीमे चलना is not an issue, बस ट्रैफिक ना मिले. और just look at that. बाइक ले जाके फोटो खिंचाना तो बनता है भाई. Yes.
Okay, so थोड़ा सा सीन हो गया है. The mic, there is a adapter which actually you plug in, not an adapter actually, the cable which actually goes into the GoPro, उसका जो मेल वाला joint होता है वो टूट गया है यार. So I won't be able to film anything while I ride. I will be able to film, but I won't be able to. I can speak. I will be able to speak, but तुम लोगों को सुनाई नहीं देगा. So that's a bummer यार. अभी तो मैं आधे रास्ते में आया था. अभी I have to go all the way back. So anyways, let's just focus on the positives. टूट गया. So this is how it is looking. So the 3.5 mm wala thing, let me show it to you. So I don't know if you can. So this thing, it goes into this, and this goes into the GoPro, and toot gaya, so no use of this now. Anyway, so I was riding इधर से पूरा ऐसे आया मैं, and I thought might as well just take a stop here. So I've stopped here, and look how amazing the view is. Look how amazing the bike looks. Absolutely amazing. It's time to leave from this place. अभी मेरी आवाज़ आएगी बस पूरे वीडियो में, and because mic adapter टूट गया यार. Shit. I don't know, I just kept the helmet over here and I didn't realize that the camera was also resting on the seat. Excuse me. And the thing, it just snapped. Luckily I was able to get the broken part out of the GoPro. Oh boy. इतनी सी चीज़ है बस. And I'm now going forward. I won't be able to record my audio. So that's a big fat bummer. Okay, so I've reached Sangam, and मैंने इधर भी पूछा थोड़ा सा इन लोगों से, and people were like कि पानी, excuse me, अभी पानी है but उतना कुछ खास पानी नहीं है. That's what I'm going to see. देखते हैं, let's see. थोड़ा बहुत तो पानी हो. मैप्स में तो दिखा रहा है 2 रिवर्स मिलना, बट एक रिवर में तो बहुत कम पानी है जो अभी हम लोगों ने देखा ब्रिज क्रॉस करते हुए. बट एक्चुअली में कावेरी में कितना पानी है वो अभी अपने को देख के पता चलेगा. लेट्स गो. Okay. Monkey alert. Monkey alert. भाई और इनिशियली जब मैं इधर आया था, वो देख रहे हो ऊपर बैठा हुआ है बंदर. इन लोगों से कुछ लेके गया. मेरे बैग की जिप्स खोल के देख रहे थे यार. बड़े चालू है बंदर भाई गॉड यहाँ पे. सो गाइस, इफ यू कम हियर, काइंडली टेक केयर ऑफ योर बिलोंगिंग. I was not concerned about the bag से कुछ भी ले ले because valuable सारा मेरे पास था. But what I was actually concerned about was that मेरा GoPro उसके just पीछे ये time lapse बन रहा था, and it was very close to the water. So अगर वो थोड़ा सा भी उधर कैमरे की तरफ गया तो आज तो बहुत भयंकर चपक लग जाती यार. Oh my god, narrow escape. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take that monkey wala thing indication to get the hell out of here. I mean, so as I said earlier also, you can come here, and it would be good if you are in a group. Unlike me, I came here alone, but it would be really good if you can actually come in a group. And there's nothing much to do here except to just come with some food, get inside the water, enjoy the day, make some splashes like these guys are doing, and khao, lunch karo, picnic karo, and then just go back home. So it is a really good place if you want to come. Under 100 kilometers in Bangalore. It will take you about 2 hours and 30 minutes. I'll just go back to the bike and I'll just go over the numbers again because I honestly don't remember the exact time which it took me. Yeah, overall a very nice place, but what I would recommend here is that you should come in a little bit early, because right now what's the time right now? It's about 12 o'clock, and the number of people they have started to come. The number of people that are here is going up. So I'm gonna say you start at 8 o'clock from your house, reach this place by 10:30, 11. Just go inside the water, have some fun, come out by 12, 12:30, have your food, and then go back home. So let's just pack up. I have kept my clothes like that, and clothes, riding gear, helmet, and my tank bag like that. And yeah, let's I think I'm just gonna go click a couple of more pictures because I haven't clicked any of mine, and then we'll be on our way back. ये देखो भाई साहब बैठे हुए हैं ऐसे. मेरा बैग खोल लिया था लिटरली यार. I mean यार पूरा बैग खोल के साइड से जिप वगैरह निकाल देता. अच्छा उसमें एक और थी, जो जिप खोली उसमें मेरे घर की चाबी थी. तो घर से मेरे को बाहर लॉक कर देते यार हनुमान जी के भी. ओके तो फोटोज़ वगैरह ले ली. टाइम लैप्स नहीं ले पाया बिकॉज ऑफ मंकी अलर्ट. ओवरऑल गुड प्लेस टू कम, बट इन अ ग्रुप में आओगे तो ज़्यादा मज़े आएंगे. फाइनली चलते आई हैव रीच्ड होम. बीच में थोड़ी बारिश हो गई तो कैमरा अंदर रखना पड़ा, रेन कोट पहना, उसके बाद से फिर बारिश रुक गई. ओके ओ बॉय इट वाज सो टायरिंग. आई मीन द डिस्टेंस वाजंट दैट मच बट ट्रैफिक इतना मिला. एंड देन उस तरफ की जो रोड्स है दे आर हॉरिबल. I mean और कोई नाम नहीं है मेरे पास, बट लकीली I took that diversion into NH44 and then 16 kilometers के लिए थोड़ा सा अच्छा stretch मिला. But after that got over again, I got stuck in Bangalore traffic, which is, I mean, excuse me, pretty much standard here. So here's the thing, I have reached home, no issues, आराम से पहुँच गया. I did 198.2 kilometers for this ride, and the bike gave a fuel economy of 32 kilometers per liter, approximately 32 kilometers per liter, as I had filled in premium the last time. So I just thought कि चलो डलवा के देखते हैं माइलेज पे अंतर आता है कि नहीं. And definitely I got an increment of 3 kilometers per liter, so that's a good thing. And anyways, I think let's just keep this video till here. I am so sorry that the mic broke. Not the mic, the adapter broke, because of which while coming back I wasn't able to speak much while I was riding. So I'm gonna go and get myself a new adapter. Let's just cut the chase. If you've watched the video till here, I'm gonna assume that you like something in it. So if you did, do leave a like, comment on the video below, and tell me how you feel about the video. Leave your thoughts down in the comment section below, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel, and it also motivates me to keep bringing out content just like this. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye, take care.